How to add Snapchat link in Instagram bio. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Click on your profile at the top left. Now in here, click on Share option at the top. And at the bottom, you'll find Copy option. Click on Copy. After you have copied, simply open Instagram. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on Edit Profile at the top. After you click on Edit Profile, in here click on Links. After you click on Link, you'll find Add External Link. Click on it. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In the URL section, paste the link that you copied earlier from your Snapchat. Then title Add Snapchat and click on the tick mark at the top right corner of your screen and you're good to go. Your link will be added in your Instagram bio. This is how to add Snapchat link in Instagram bio. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.